All right, check out this awesome beanie that I got from Clape. I ended up getting this awesome blue color and I absolutely love this. So when you open it up, you're just gonna get a little ticket from them. This is pretty cool. Hat up, Clape on, and I like that. That's just a cool little add-on. Definitely looks exactly like the color in the picture. Urban Aura, got a little tag there. So this is not stitched on the top, so you can wear this all the way down to cover your ears, which I do like. It's just another option. So I personally love the Fisherman Beanie for many reasons, and one of them being when you have like a bad hair day or just wake up in the morning, you can just throw one of these on and they just look really good. So there's a couple different ways to wear these. I mean, you can just kind of just throw them up top, and the Fisherman Beanie is really nice because it proportions your face really well, and if you don't like pull it all the way down, you just have a really nice proportion. It kind of keeps your head in like thirds, and then it will just keep the top of your head warm and will also just cover your hair if you're having a bad hair day. Also, just a really nice style piece. You can get these in just about every color just to match every single one of your kits. Now the Fisherman Beanie is a Fisherman Beanie because when fishermen were on the boats, they wanted to keep the hats above their ears so they can hear all the call outs on the boat, so that you're nice and safe. So that's where that originated from if you're not aware of that. And it's cool because you can do this and you can just throw this down, and now it's just a nice beanie that can like cover your ears real quick too. So if you really are cold, you can just flip that down and it's a good look. I mean, I think it still looks really good. You might see a little bit of a crease unless you wear it like this all the time, and it seems like it still has a good shape up here. It doesn't seem like it's like turning into a mushroom or anything weird. It's gonna be a tad tight whenever you first put it on, but it's gonna kind of conform to your head and it'll stretch out. So if you feel like it's a little bit tight, give it like a day, 2 days, and you're probably gonna feel a lot better after that, and it'll probably just conform to your head. You can actually wash these too, and it's made of 100% acrylic, so it's actually really soft, really thick. This could be perfect for the fall, the winter weather, and it just looks absolutely amazing. I feel like I'm just gonna go and get every color, but I'm really liking this blue and it just looks good. It feels good. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.